Welcome to another video. To set up DHCP on a network, pfSense can easily be used. We have a basic Debian VM, and although it has a network adapter, it hasn't been assigned an IP. We can install a clean copy of pfSense and it'll try to work as a DHCP server automatically. All it needs is two network adapters connected to the same virtual network as the other VMs. Once pfSense has finished installing, we can run DHClient. Requesting an IP address from the DHCP server using DHClient with the verbose flag. We can see that an IP was offered successfully by the server and the VM is bound to the IP. If we want to use a different IP range, we can go into the web console and change it under Services and then DHCP Server. The default password is pfSense, but we'll change that now. Changing the IP range in the Services menu, DHCP Server. Checking for the new IP address. Requesting an IP address from the DHCP server. We can check our IP address with IPA or hostname -I. Thanks for watching.